You had lunch after filing with Attorney General Eric Holder. That must have been cozy.
Well, you know, as an individual, I like Eric Holder. I think he's sincere. I don't agree with him on a lot of issues, but one issue I do agree with him on is that I think people should be allowed to have redemption. As a Christian, I think people deserve a second chance. If you've not committed a violent felony, if you were caught with drugs or possession or sale, you served your time, I think we should try to get you back in society, and I think you should get your right to vote back. In fact, I will testify in Frankfurt for giving non-violent felons their right to vote back again after they've served their time, because I think it's a good way to reincorporate people back into society.
Did he happen to say anything about the fact that you were suing the president or suing him at the lunch? Did he say anything at all? Like, hey, thanks for the lawsuit.
Yeah, I met him in the big paneled conference room beneath the portrait of Bobby Kennedy, and he said, I understand you're suing me. And I said, well, it's nothing personal. And but we did laugh a little bit about that. And it will be his Justice Department. It's not a laughing matter. We laughed about being there for lunch together. It's a serious matter. I'm sure he will treat it seriously from his point of view, and I will too. And the big thing I hope is right now these questions are being decided in secret in front of something we call the FISA court, or a national security court. But they're not getting the light of day, and there's not a lawyer on both sides. One of the big things, and I know Judge Napolitano writes about this and talks about this, is that you can't find truth unless you have an adversarial process. You need a lawyer on both sides. The defendant needs a lawyer. FISA, there is no lawyer for the guy who thinks the Bill of Rights preserves our privacy. So this is a big deal. It needs to get into the Supreme Court. I hope it's my case, but if it's not my case, I hope a case gets into the light of day.
Senator, thank you.